Hello everyone, I am Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we're talking more about health tips and health benefits. Kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung meron akong upload na bagong video. So today's topic guys, mga mahal kong viewers, we will talk about swollen feet or pamamanas ng mga paa. Ano nga ang magiging sanhi nito? Maraming mga taong nagmamanas ng paa at marami ding mga sanhi nito. Swollen feet are an abnormal accumulation of fluids in the feet, legs, and other parts of our bodies. Madalas ang pamamanas ng paa ay naririnig lang natin pangkaraniwan sa mga buntis lamang. Pero hindi lang sa buntis ang pagmamanas. The most common cause of this is prolonged standing or walking, lalo pag mainit ang panahon. Foot numbness may not be a cause for a concern. There are times when the numbness is related to other medical conditions that need to be attention. Swollen feet are common during pregnancy because the weight gain puts pressure on the veins. Another cause of leg swelling is venous insufficiency. Occurs when the veins in your legs do not function properly. Ang kakulangan sa venous return can cause symptoms such as aching, pangangati, at pananakit sa binti, pananakit habang naglalakad. If the heart has a problem, it may not be able to pump from the legs back to the lungs and your heart, leading to leg swelling. Nagmamanas ka rin kung may diferensya din ang puso mo kung hindi siya nagpa-pump masyado. Maraming causes ang leg swelling or pamamanas, hindi lang sa may buntis. Kaya kung kayo'y nagmamanas, kailangan nyo talagang magpatingin agad ng doktor. Pag may sakit ka din sa liver at kidney, lead to swelling the feet, hands, face, and legs. Kung ang bato ay hindi gumagana ng maayos, the fluids or likido ay maaaring maipon sa katawan. Kaya nagmamanas ang paa mo, either puso or may sakit ka sa kidney. Ang liver disease affects the production of a protein called albumin. Ang kakulangan nito maaaring magresulta sa pagkaipon ng likido sa iba't ibang bahagi ng katawan. Gout also is a condition in which uric acid builds up in your blood, causing also the swelling and pain in your joint. It can cause also numbness or tingling in your feet. The possible cause is your lifestyle. Ang lifestyle ay lack of exercise, being overweight, eating so much salty foods, prolonged sitting, standing, or walking, wearing shoes that don't fit in your foot size. So how to reduce the swelling and inflammation? Exercise your legs. It helps to pump fluid from your legs back to your heart. Reduce your salty foods. Day sitting or standing for period of time. Avoid wearing tight clothing on your legs. Lose weight if necessary. Elevate your legs above your heart while lying down. You can eat more in magnesium such as nuts, dark chocolate, vegetables, exercise like swimming. Numbness can be caused by various medical conditions like gout, heart, liver, and kidney disease, lack of venous return, or pregnancy. It may also caused by lifestyle. If it is worsened or your foot numbness worsened unaccompanied by some other symptoms, you have to consult a doctor immediately. Lagi kong sinasabi, kung may ibang nararamdaman sa sarili, magpatingin agad sa doktor. Kasi nga, prevention is better than cure. Remember guys, health is wealth. Hanggang dito na lang tayo sa topic natin at kung may gusto kayong itanong sa akin, mag-comment lang below. At kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell para updated kayo palagi kung meron akong bagong upload na video. Hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa lahat ng subscribers, non-subscribers, lalo na sa mga silent viewers. Maraming salamat po sa suporta niyo dito sa channel ko. Pagpalain po kayo lahat. May God bless us. Thank you for watching!